Hello, bro. Let's read this question. The question says, if mass of the sun were 10 times smaller and the universal gravitational constant were 10 times larger in magnitude, which of the following is not correct? The key concept behind this question is acceleration due to gravity. तो एक्सेलरेशन ड्यू टू ग्रेविटी क्या होती है हमारी g इज इक्वल्स टू g डिवाइड बाई आर स्क्वायर. इन क्वेश्चन व्हाट इज गिवन कि अगर मास ऑफ द सन क्या हो जाए 10 टाइम्स स्मॉलर, सो ms बाय 10 एंड ग्रेविटेशनल कांस्टेंट g प्राइम क्या हो जाए 10 टाइम्स लार्जर मतलब 10g. तो कौन सा ऑप्शन इनकरेक्ट है? ओके तो इसमें हम देखते हैं कि हमारा जो स्मॉल जी है दैट इज एक्सेलरेशन ड्यू टू ग्रेविटी, वो क्या है जी एम बाई आर स्क्वायर, जहाँ पे एम ये होता है मास ऑफ अर्थ एंड आर होता है रेडियस ऑफ अर्थ. सो जो जी है वो इंडिपेंडेंट है मास ऑफ सन के. ओके इंडिपेंडेंट ऑफ मास ऑफ सन. So it will not affect whether mass of the sun is increasing or decreasing. G पे कोई इफेक्ट नहीं पड़ेगा, but G is dependent on capital G. So if capital G and it is directly proportional. So if capital G is becoming 10G, तो हमारा acceleration due to gravity small g है हमारा 10 times of initial g. Acceleration due to gravity will increase. Okay, acceleration due to gravity will become 10 times. That means it will increase. But in option number 4, it is given that G on Earth. So obviously this is incorrect statement. So this is incorrect. But let us see कि बाकी जो तीन options हैं that are correct or incorrect. Multiple choice question option can be there. So first is time period of simple pendulum on the Earth will decrease. Okay. So let us check. तो हमारा first question है first है time period. So हमारा time period of simple pendulum होता है t is equals to 2 pi under the root of L over G, which means t is inversely proportional to root G. If G is decreasing, so if G is increasing, okay, then time period will obviously decrease. So option number first is correct. Now option number second is walking on the ground would become more difficult. So let us check second. So walking on the ground is due to friction. We can move when friction is less. So what is friction? F is equals to mu mg. If a weight is there m on the ground, so friction will be act in opposite direction of the motion. So F is equals to mu mg. Now if g is increasing, then friction will obviously increase, and if friction is increasing, then it is hard to walk. So again walking on the ground would become more difficult. Option B correct. Now option third is raindrop will fall faster. So we can see अगर हमारी एक्सेलरेशन ड्यू टू ग्रेविटी बढ़ रही है तो ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स जो है ऑब्वियसली इंक्रीज होगा, एंड दैट्स व्हाई ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स इंक्रीज होगा. सो रेन ड्रॉप्स जो हैं वो फास्टर मूव करेंगी, विल मूव faster. So all first three options are correct. Only option number 4 is incorrect, and that is your answer. I hope you understood it well. All the best for your future.